Asi chimwe chivindi munochiona kupi? An airport citizen Benjamin Mupombo akatema motorcade president. Uku Mr. Dangirwa insulted the president. Chagutu West MP donated 60 mombe and 5 bulls to Mnangagwa. Welcome back to your channel. Patinokupai nyaya dzenyu dzinopisa dzichangoburwa. Mudzimai yakupa chironda yati nhunzi dzekuti hameno kuti inopinda here tsumo yacho. It gets to a point where it breaks your heart and you don't have faith in the electoral process. And people decide to take matters into their own hands. Mr. Muganira decided to confront His Excellency in Epworth as the citizens are tired of empty promises and abject poverty. He made his way to the podium as the president was delivering his speech. He went past security and ran to the podium, but he was stopped. He was remanded, and Kukoti said he needs a Tswana translator nekuti haanzwe shona English. Ukuwo, Mr. Dangirwa is in police custody for allegedly insulting the president by saying ZANU was a failure and would lose elections. The fear is that he will lose his citizenship according to the new law. Another Epworth resident appeared to court for attacking the motorcade, namatombo, along Julius Nyerere. He waited for a while as the police were redirecting cars, and as soon as the cars arrived, he opened fire. Such courage is years of empty promises, and people decide to take matters into their own hands. He is in custody waiting for bail. We will bring you more news. Chagutu West MP donated 60 mombe and 5 bulls to Mnangagwa. This was handed over in Magonji. Mashonaland West donated 100 cows, 6 bulls, 105 goats, 4 makwai, and 150 blankets to the president. This was posted on Twitter by Mangwana. They are also working on GoFundMe to buy cars for their leaders. Is it not supposed to be the other way around? Ameno. Dozhiri campaign yacho. Thank you for watching. Buya Mai Benji signing out.